All right, Math 7 students, we are on Khan Academy number, I don't know, we're like starting our third section of this one. So it's called Inequality from Graph. So you can see on this one that we have a blue dot, a solid blue dot right here at the number 1, and then the line goes to the left. And we have to figure out which of those inequalities it goes with. Well, first thing I want to teach you is look at the difference between these two. Notice how this one does not have an equal sign underneath it or a line under it, which means equal, and this one does have a line under it, meaning equal. Look at the difference in the two dots on those two. Do you see that? So if it does not have an equal sign, it gets an open dot. And the open dot means that that point is not included, but everything one direction or the other would be included. And a solid dot means that that point is included in anything to that side. So then the next thing I want you to notice that this is x is less than 1. So when you think about it, what numbers are actually less than 1? Or think about it as temperature outside. What numbers are colder than 1 degree out? Well, 0 is colder, and negatives are definitely colder, so that one goes in that direction. This one also is in the less than direction, so it goes this direction as well. So the only difference between these two, you'll notice, is one's an open dot, one's a closed dot. Now, let's look at these two. On this one, there is no equal sign, so again, that's an open dot. This one does have an equal sign, so that's a whoopsie, that's a, where's my dot? Where is it? There it is. That's a closed dot. These two are both greater. So they're pointing this means greater than. So when it's this direction, it's greater than. When it's this direction, it's less than. So x is greater than 1. So what numbers are greater or hotter than 1 degree? 2 is hotter, 3 is warmer, 4 is warmer. So these two lines need to both go that direction. Well, which one of these matches perfectly the solid blue dot and then everything to the left? And you might agree that that would be this one. So we simply click on letter B. Let's do another one. Okay, we have an open circle, and then everything goes to the right this time. So let's go through our circles. Any of them that do not have an equal sign will be an open circle. So we need an open circle and an open circle. Oopsie, an open circle. These two that do have an equal sign get the closed circle. Like that. Now, these two are less than. So these two dots go to the left. And these two are both greater than. So these two lines go to the right. Which one is an open circle going to the right? You might agree it's letter C. That's how you do it, guys. Good luck to you. Bye-bye.